Hello and welcome to the channel. Law and social justice. Laws are necessary to ensure fairness and protect people from exploitation. Without laws, businesses and employers may exploit workers and harm the environment. The government plays a key role in making, implementing, and enforcing laws for social justice. Social justice means fairness in society, where everyone is treated equally and protected from unfair treatment. Number 2. The need for laws to protect workers. Exploitation of workers. Workers, especially in private companies, face low wages, long working hours, and unsafe working conditions. Many are not given job security, health benefits, and compensation for injuries. Children and women are often forced to work in poor conditions for very low wages. Role of laws in protecting workers. The government has created laws to ensure minimum wages so workers get fair pay. Provide fixed working hours to prevent overwork. Ensure safe working conditions and compensation for injuries. Ban child labor in hazardous industries. Example, laws for minimum wages. The government has set minimum wage for prevent exploitation. Employers must pay at least this amount, but some try to avoid it. Many workers were unaware of their rights, making them vulnerable to exploitation. Number 3. Government's role in enforcing laws. Making laws is not enough, but they must be enforced effectively. The government must ensure that industries and businesses follow the rules. However, some employers try to avoid laws by paying workers less than the minimum wage, ignoring safety measures to increase their profits, avoiding providing proper facilities to workers. Case study: Bhopal gas tragedy. In 1984, Union Carbide, which is a US based company, owned a pesticide plant in Bhopal in India. A gas leak from the plant killed thousands of people and left many injured. The company ignored safety measures to reduce costs. The government failed to enforce strong safety laws. This tragedy showed the importance of strict laws and proper enforcement. Number 4. Environmental protection and law. Industries often pollute the environment to save money. Pollution affects air, water, soil, harming people's health and natural resources. The government has laws to control pollution, but many industries do not follow them. Types of environmental pollution by industries. Air pollution caused by smoke from factories or chemicals in the air, and the effects are results in respiratory diseases, climate change. Water pollution due to dumping waste into rivers and lakes causes results in contaminated drinking water, loss of aquatic life. Soil pollution, chemical waste from industries, poor soil fertility affects crops and food production. Legal protection of the environment. The Supreme Court ruled that a clean environment is part of the right to life, Article 21. The government has set rules for industries to control pollution levels. Citizens and NGOs, means non-governmental organizations, help in environmental protection by filing cases and raising awareness. Number 5. Globalization and labor laws. Globalization means businesses operate in different countries to increase profits. Many multinational companies, like MNCs, set up factories in developing countries like India because labor is cheaper than in developed countries. Labor laws are weaker, allowing longer working hours with lower wages. Environmental laws are less strict, so industries can pollute without penalties. Hazardous industries in South Asia. Shipbreaking in India and Bangladesh. Exposure to toxic chemicals, unsafe working conditions. Chemical factories, India, Pakistan. Poor safety measures, risk of explosions. Many MNCs shift their hazardous industries to countries with weaker laws to avoid safety and environmental costs. Number 6. Role of workers' unions. Workers join unions to protect their rights and demand better conditions. Unions help workers negotiate for higher wages and job security, ensure safety measures are followed, fight against unfair dismissal. For example, workers protest for justice. In some industries, workers go on strike to demand better conditions. Without strong unions, workers can easily exploited by employers. Number 7. Law enforcement and challenges. What is law enforcement? Law enforcement means ensuring people and industries follow the laws. Government agencies like the police, courts, and labor departments help enforce laws. Challenges in law enforcement. Corruption. Some officials take bribes and allow industries to break the law. Weak monitoring. Many industries don't allow rules, but not action is taken. No action is taken. Lack of awareness. Workers often do not know their rights under the law. Employers' influence. Big businesses try to avoid legal responsibilities by influencing government decisions. Number 8. People's role in ensuring justice. Citizens, NGOs, and social movements play an important role in ensuring laws are followed. Public pressure has led to stronger environmental laws, better wages for workers, protection of human rights. For example, a right to pollution free water and air. Public protest forced the Supreme Court to declare clean air and water as a fundamental right under Article 21, the right to life. Media and social movements help spread awareness and bring change. Now, in the conclusion, laws are important to protect workers, the environment, the society. The government must enforce laws strictly to prevent exploitation. People must stay informed and raise their voices against injustice. Social justice is achieved when laws are strong and fairly implemented.